This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Lift the blade slightly from the windshield. Squeeze the retaining lever to release the blade. Unhook the wiper arm from the blade and take the blade off. Fit the new blade by attaching it into the end of the arm and secure the blade to the arm. An audible click can be heard that indicates the blade has been locked in. Lower the arm to the windshield.